Hello, welcome to my channel. Are you using Canva templates but your design still look like everyone else? Do you want to turn simple templates into professional eye-catching content using your own ideas? In this complete step-by-step tutorial, I am going to show you exactly how to edit any Canva template from basic changes to advanced customization so your design looks unique and high quality. Whether you are creating Instagram posts, ads or client work, this video will help you improve your design skills fast. Most beginners just change text and they think they are done. But real designers know how to completely transform it. Stay till the end because I will also share pro tips that will instantly improve your design. Let's start from the beginning. Open Canva and log into your account. Now click on a create a design or search for your required format like Instagram post, story or YouTube thumbnail. Next, go to the template section. You will see many options, but don't just pick randomly. Choose a template that matches your content structure, not just design. If your content is about food, choose a template that highlights images. If it's informational, choose a layout with strong text section. Before editing anything, take a moment to analyze the template. Where is the main heading? Where is the image focus? What colors are used? How is spacing managed? This step is important because it helps you understand how the design works. Good designers don't just edit, they understand the layout first. Now let's start editing the text. Click on any text box. Remove the default text and replace it with your own content. You can change font style, font size, letter spacing, line height, alignment. Don't use too many fonts. Use one font for headings and one for body text. Make sure your main message is clearly visible at first glance. If someone looks at your design for 2 seconds, they should understand the main idea. Just replace the text of travel with London and it's time to with travel. Now let's replace images. Click on the image, then go to the uploads and add your own images. The action is just drag and drop, but you can also upload your images from Canva photos. So I am here upload my image from Canva photo because I am not uploading any photo from my gallery. If you are uploading image from uploads, then it will be from your gallery. If your image attached with the background, then first of all you have to detach from the background and replace your one with the background image. And if your image just simply placed on the background, you just click on that and delete that and place your own. To adjust the image, double click and reposition it. Bright design, bright image. Minimal design, simple image. Consistency is key in good design. By clicking on the position, you can adjust your image position backward, so you can see the difference here. Now let's talk about colors. This is where your design becomes unique. Click on any element, change its color. Use 2 to 3 main colors only. Too many colors can confuse the viewer. Here is the pro tip. Use contrast. Dark text on light background or vice versa. If you are designing for a brand, always use their color palette. Consistency builds identity. Now let's enhance the design using elements. Go to the Elements tab, search for shapes, icons or graphics and add element. Resize and position them properly. Don't overload your design. Too many elements reduce clarity. Every element should have a purpose. You can change color and size of them. By clicking on flip, you can flip it horizontal or vertical. Now fix the layout. Move elements to create balance using spacing properly. Align everything using Canva guidelines. A clean layout makes your design look professional instead. If you are making reels or videos, animations are important. Click animate and choose a style. Use simple animations like fade or slide. Here is the important tip. Avoid using too many different animations. Design is not decoration, it's communication. Keep it simple but meaningful. Your design should guide the viewer's eyes. Less clutter is equal to more impact. Before downloading, review everything. Is text readable? Are colors consistent? Is spacing balanced? Is the design clear? Click on share, download. PNG for social media, MP4 for videos, and PDF for print. And that's how you fully customize a Canva template using your own content. Now you are not just using templates, you are transforming them. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like and subscribe and comment below what you want to learn next.